sneak peek of my little turtles I dipped. I actually got these turtles at Dollar Tree. And they came with a couple other things, a couple dolphins. So I decided to dip them for, remember I did this vase right here. And I had a painting underneath of it. And that was this one right here. I can put it up there so you can see it. So, what I dipped these two turtles for was I wanted to add these two little turtles, one right here, and something like that, and then one over here, you know, up top. So the two turtles are gonna go on the picture like this. It's sort of like that. Maybe I can set it down. Let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna set it down. They're gonna go on here, something like this, probably. So we have our turtle picture here, and the vase, which I have to resin. It's still sitting on top of the cup, but it came out super pretty, very, very pretty, dry, and very pretty. And I just thought it'd be neat to add these turtles to the matching vase. So I just wanted to show you that, along with these other little pieces that I'm getting ready for. And I dipped these, I took some pictures you've seen already. So I wanted to tell you about this. I'm actually going to be making a piece of mixed media with these items, not all at once. No, I'm not going to use them all, but I am going to put it on this painting that I did. I believe it's going to be this one. I think that's going to be a pretty one to use it with. But I'll probably put maybe 6 or 7 of the cogs and 3 or 4 of the keys on there somehow. I haven't decided exactly how I'm doing that yet. But I want to get those ready before I do the resining, because I also have a couple other pieces I want to resin. One is, I'm trying to show it to you right now, this piece right here. This was my piece that I think it was a ribbon pour. And I picked up these items right here. They say welcome, thankful, and harvest. And I found some feathers that were mirrors. You know, pull off the outside before you resin, because it has an out layer on it. See, right there. So, and I'm going to resin this too. So I want to get this ready. And the other original picture that I started working on with the 2 dolphins and the mermaid, I want to get them all ready, set on there, all of them, so that I can resin them all at the same time. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. God bless, be safe, and be happy. And I'll see you all soon. Bye bye now.